Get ready to eat your heart out, Boosa Bros. We're doing the top speed run of the Honda Trail 125. Oh, they made the mistake of letting me go. That's going to take them a while. So, the adage to it's more fun to drive a slow bike fast. We're going to put that to the test. And we're going to see just how fast we can go. Whew, I'm nervous. I'm more nervous doing this than I would be on a big boy bike. I'm not sure we're even going to break the speed limit, but we're going to give it what we got. There we go. I'm 6'4". Oh, that's it. That's max gear. I'm grabbing for fifth. 6'4", 239 pounds. Here's a car pulling out in front of me. All right. Can we get in the 50s? We're in the 50s. We are in the 49s. We hit 50. We hit 50. Let me squat down. Get low. 51. 52. Might even have to do a pass. 53. Holy shit. We're passing. We're passing. 53. We're passing them. 52 again. Something must have happened. The atmospheric pressure. 53. I'll take it. 53. I'll take it. Checking. Getting over. Wow. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I see they're doing garbage collection. Not great. Well, there it is. You saw it. 53 hard rocking MPHs. Wow. Alright, I'm going to work my way in traffic around this truck here, but everybody, thank you for tuning in, and we'll have new content soon. Alright, so it occurred to me when we were riding, what if maybe I was riding into a wind, like a wind pushing towards me, a headwind, and what if we take one more little crack at it? Just to see. This is a cool little college campus that we're going through, by the way. Feel free to skip through this part. This is just a campus right off of the highway that we're about to get back onto. Everybody's looking at me like, oh, that's a cute motorcycle for a kid to use for college, and it actually is. Little do they know, I'll be considered a mega super senior if I were in college. All right, let's give it one more crack. But so we were headed westbound last time. This time we're going to be headed eastbound. We'll see what we can do. May the gods be ever in our favor. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're going to do a second gear assistance. Alright, hold on to your britches, because we're going maximum effort. Yep, that's it, that's max gears. And I might even have to shift over a lane in a second. Here we go, back in the 40s, squatting down, getting low. We're getting closer to 50 a lot faster now. Here you go. Oh, there's a headwind for sure. We're not cracking 48 right here. 49, we did it. We did it. We did it. Come on. Dig deep. You can do it. 49. Come on, 50. Come on. No, no. And 50, we did it. Okay. All right. Now there's time to quit. 50. Okay. Listen, I think we did 54 last time, 53. You got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them, and I think that's going to be it for us. Like and subscribe. Thank you.